Good morning, dear friends. Here begins the another day of our training, the second day of our 5 days training. And you know what is the specialty of today's day? Today is the 11th November 2025. And why I'm telling you this? Because on this day, exactly today is the anniversary of my job. I would say I completed 1 year as a government employee. And I would like to begin this day with a beautiful thought that every morning is a new opportunity. I would like you to listen carefully. Every morning is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and shine better than, brighter than yesterday. And as you can see, my face is shining. It's because the sun is shining brighter there. I will show you where. Here the sun is coming up and it is shining brighter and brighter. It is giving us the lesson that once there is a darkness in your life, but remember the new day, the new light, the new brightness also will come in your life. So never feel sad and hesitated when you are surrounded with loneliness, with unhappiness. Just remember one thing, that just like the sun comes up ever in the morning, tearing the darkness, so also the happiness, the happy moment will come in your life when you continue to keep working hard in your life. So this is the beautiful scenario yesterday also I had showed you. So dear friends, what is going to be routine today? After 7 o'clock the tea is available, and after 8 o'clock the breakfast is available, and after that we have a little bit free to get ready for the classes and all, and 10 o'clock onwards the session will begin. So I remember a beautiful thought as I am drinking the tea. Happiness is a cup of hot tea on a cold day. So it's a cold day, and in a cold morning if you get a hot tea, then the day becomes wonderful.
हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ
हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ
अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ
अज्ञानता से
तू स्वर की देवी है संगीत तुझसे
स्वर्ग की देवी संगीत तुझसे
मुस्कान है दिल पर तू ही बोला तू ही दिल भर साईनाथ 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 तेरे हजारों हाथ साईनाथ से तुझको लिखी रोज बातें कैसे बताऊं किस किस तरह से पल पल मुझे तू सताती ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए ये शाम
So once again, good morning to everyone present here. Good morning to our mentors, and I really believe that this is going to be wonderful. Before I present the report, just a story I would like to share with you. Two army men by the name Sher Singh and Sher Shah. They caught a thief. एक चोर को पकड़ते हैं and after catching the thief, they are punishing him. और जो thief है वो भी बोल रहा है, please leave me, please leave me, please leave me. Give me at least one chance. After so much of requesting, both these army men, they come up with a solution that here we have a dice, the Ludo dice. If it comes 1 to 5, you will be punished, you will be shoot. And this is the option. So the moment he hears कि 1 to 5 आएगा, तो भैया मुझे शूट कर दिया जाएगा, तो वो बोलता है अगर 6 आया तो क्या मैं बच जाऊंगा? दोनों के दोनों आर्मी मैन they give him a big slap, चाटा मारते बोलते हैं don't you know the Ludo game? अगर 6 आता तो भैया वापस से खेलना पड़ेगा, वापस से पासा फेंकना पड़ेगा. तो सिंपल सी बात है कि अभी इस मोमेंट में भी हमारे पास में चॉइस है, लेकिन चॉइस नहीं है. हमें से काफी लोग बोले हैं यार ट्रेनिंग अटेंड करें, नहीं करें, घर जाए, लेकिन हमारे पास में सिर्फ एक ही मौका है ये, और हमको इस मौके का फायदा उठा के हंसते हंसते इस ट्रेनिंग को अटेंड करना चाहिए. और मुझे लगता है ऐसा बोला जाता है कि कोई भी चीज अगर हम हैप्पीनेस के साथ में करते हैं तो वो लंबे टाइम तक याद रहती है. तो मैं प्रेजेंट करता हूँ रिपोर्ट को अपनी.
10th November was the first day of our 5 days of training, where our wonderful and dedicated teachers reached from here and there to Aikap Ashram, either by day before yesterday, late night or early morning. I also thank and appreciate our subject mentors and the whole team of the cement who took out the time out of their busy schedule to arrange this 5 days training program. Our day began with the registration and giving of subject module and stationery to write down some important notes. Because the biggest lie in the world, जानते हैं आप लोग सबसे बड़ा झूठ क्या है जिंदगी का? झूठ ये है कि अगर मैं नहीं भी लिखूंगा तो याद कर लूंगा. और इसलिए हमको जो नोट दिए गए हैं तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आप इसमें properly write down करें. And after that we all were divided to the hall based on our subjects. The session began with our mentor's introduction and Rakesh sir, who gave us the opportunity to introduce not ourselves but our partners. Gajendra sir explained about the module and how we need to go through it to make the good use of it. Like there is a topic, there are 10 topics. Each topic begins with a call, learning outcomes, introduction, along with some activities, summary and the reference. Rakesh sir also talked about the inclusive teaching and learning of English, about the Article 3, that is Education for All, RPWD Act, which came in 2016. He also spoke about the diversity in classroom and the diversity in abilities of learning of the students. Then came chance for the Gajendra sir. He came and began his talk by asking question, what is A? And clarified that A is not alphabet, it is a letter, and there are 26 letters and 46 sound. Out of these 22 vowel sound and 22 consonant sound. Mainly he spoke about the 9 voiceless consonant sound. Then the Prashant sir came. He began his class by ABCD song and he also spoke about that we need to bring fun and amusement in our teaching. He also told how we need to be careful while pronouncing the word. He gave the example of well, and when we say well, all is well. And he spoke about the different types of learners, like some are auditory, visual and kinesthetic learners, and how we need to join all these in our teachings so that the student understand better. He also gave explanation about GRR, the gradual release of responsibilities, where we need to focus on I do, we do and you do process. He spoke about UDL, the Universal Design in Learning, and time to time we all were given the morning tea break, lunch break and evening tea break so that we can refresh and energize ourselves. Our first day of the training, which we were thinking how it will go, but our mentors kept us engaged and ended the first day of our session with a beautiful action dance where we all danced, had fun, and we ended the day with a smiling faces. And with this, once again, I just would like to quote a beautiful suvichar that I had read in the Daily Bhaskar. जो मैंने आपको सबसे स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि जो कुछ भी हम खुशी से करते हैं वो हम लंबे समय तक याद रखते हैं या फिर साथ रहता है, जो कुछ भी हम खुशी के साथ करते हैं. और खुशी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमारी ट्रेनिंग चल रही है और हम सिर्फ दादी आके बैठे होंगे. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हमको विद हैप्पीनेस सीखना है और इस पर्टिकुलर डे का बेस्ट यूज हमको खूब तरीके से निकालना है. So thank you mentors, and thank you dear teachers for giving me this beautiful opportunity, and I would like you to clap loudly for every one of us here.
क्वेश्चन है वो सही होगा, ठीक है। जैसे कि मैं आपसे पूछूं, क्या आपने येलो टी शर्ट पहनी है? पहनी। तो सवाल ये है, अब इसमें जो जवाब देने वाले हैं वो जवाब सही देना है। जवाब कैसा देना है? आंसर कैसा होगा? सही। लेकिन आपको अपना जो हेड मूवमेंट है वो अपोजिट करना है। अपोजिट करना यानी अगर आपको यस बोलना है, यस, तो यस कैसे आप बोलते हैं? यस। बोलिए मेरे साथ, क्वेश्चन कीजिए। यस, नो, यस, नो। चलिए एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, ठीक है? कर लिया? चलिए वही पूछ लीजिए।
ये देखिए साइड से लिख दिया, इसको बढ़ा दो और बढ़ा दो और बढ़ा दो, बस यहाँ रुक जाइए, रुक जाइए। नाउ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, है ना? ये एग्जिट स्लिप कहलाती है। सीएम राय से आप लोग, आपने एक टर्म सुनी होगी एग्जिट स्लिप।
उन्हीं के हित में कार्य करने हैं और ऐसे कार्य करें कि वो रुचिवर्धक हो। तो वैसा ही मैं यहाँ पे देख रही हूँ कि बच्चों में इंग्लिश से बहुत डरते हैं बच्चे, और इस तरीके से यदि उनको दिया जाए तो मेरे ख्याल से वो डर उनका दूर हो जाएगा।